Now to say
Nyame adom na nso e.
Oh nyame adom. Bibia fine.
Oh nyame adom pai bibia boko. So also bibia boko dey.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah pa.
Pai why heavy.
Also
outfit no.
Also heavy.
Say brand ne so enti bibia mu no sa na ho say rich.
Jude. Bibia fine. Jude. Okay. You started from Asante Kotoko. Na ini nkomo mra wia near the Black Stars wie nkomo no near B lines no ama atifo enso etimi abem enra ana kuma sa Asante Kotoko mpanifo in fact board of directors abo amane sisia mpempran kasa de Asante Kotoko appointed director of football. Na openia ya kana semi me pacha of Netherlands kanene ya kan Holland a Dutchman. Enti ya fano Stanley Stanley Menzo ono na empenifo apa no se omaye the new director of football and former Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Nti mo am joining live on YouTube no opening in a picture na edaho no new Asante Kotoko director of football. Na eba football na kasa opening wa Bobby na eba no coaching so a why adwuma ni bia sabra no we player no osia kan pen at the ama ayas 10 years obo ayas Amsterdam 10 years as a player osanso ye goalkeeper nti eba no goalkeeping department hono so no ohunim die pa waje 9 major titles 9 kaso obi age 9 major titles na say nya titles kiti biawo titles emu dupa na openi enso agena the days na obobo no na obobo at the man national team Netherlands obobo ko no obobi at the ema omo as a player na osanso eban coach so osanso boy ema bibia ekonkan na mobakan FIFA World Cup course 1990 Italy no na oka Netherlands omo squad na omo edi eko sa World Cup no eba na club level so ase de edi kaka no wajeje abodi bebre 1986 87 European Cup Winners Cup no odne Ayas team no na aje na fe UEFA Cup 1992 and so na opening Okahubi na Oje as a player edema sabre ni team ana osiakan edi ema omo Ayas Amsterdam eba no coaching so and so penino wadimu akwatene pa na from the national team level no awabakaya during Marco van Basten 2004 Netherlands team no na oye goalkeepers coach into national team na a core ESA tournament no na papai or your goalkeepers coach and as a goalkeepers trainer ono na 2004 yes Climate mo squad no mo no goalkeepers ono na yom coach into openi no wa ye duma kama e ba no e club level so Ayas Cape Town our South Africa ya wa bedi duma awo ho afi Beijing Guan our China also one na mo FC Evaladan na FC Campo Europe also honina no openino anenam ho bia enti football no openino wabo ene ba no coaching so wasanso akochi bia no football nim de no awosoro papa na mesam Jeff monfa commercial Asante Kotoko na omde ba bonten confirming openino as director of football emfa into YouTube Insha TV na yahwefo ene yetiefo emra na omonso emekin kan bi now the Jude so we kan kwase ho no ma I think last but one paragraph no ono mo share the role
yes
adwuma potia opani ebedi ade ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko said the edi kan no omo se eba no football directions
yes
he say Kumasi Asante Kotoko football direction bia omo ko bia no
from the youth level to the
model bien Kotoko person omo ko bia football direction openi Stanley Menzo ono na ebeteki charge afi eba no technical strategy technical strategy.
Inside director of football there.
Yes, of course. I don't know so ye e player recruitment.
Yes.
Sa Asante Kotoko ko for player bi e de no every eya club bi am na ba be si eya kan e de amabobo ko no si e maintain player bi e wo team nim. Nina opinion no
be fit into the system.
That's it.
Because it's not just about player. Yes, so yeah,
I know so player no player no henwa Kotoko philosophy no or align obet me fit ana and some I never heard any money na asano wa chesa ampa me hwe Jude born na obo no ene Asante Kotoko your philosophy no baby e pese kokodu no abante ne betua boan enti mo kofa no emfa no embra and a youth development and to go you side honing na no also openino and na ebehwe na otutu bibia kama and so e ama Asante Kotoko na the omidi twa to kra and say am say see ka say Asante Kotoko any head coach
yes
eminti openini ya ka say was start here or ye na juma as director of football e the ama kuma sanoko until Kotoko benya a substantive head coach is here ka say Kotoko NB yewra ya kan say Hamza obey and na share chiri as caretaker ade ama kuma say Asante Kotoko but almost for the meantime no opening and act as the head coach and former kuma say Asante Kotoko until Kotoko ebe appointed a substantive coach and so ade ama bobo ekunti eno kuma say Asante Kotoko openia omo apano Stanley Menzo out in Netherlands. Na ba kwasem kakra ana say ne hwasem kakra na yede ama yetiefo yi. Jude, me sha sem famfiri ho.
Yeah, Rich medase.
Receive.
Yes.
I'm saying receive no so fair.
Receive no fair. Na maybe mu nso. Rich, first of all, I appreciate the fact say Kotoko board here wo yi. Omo ehu say ehu be hia say or say Kotoko enya what we call a director of football and on yendi kan money nye establish say ye bebo mu abaso for saatri mu pono say opekrobia ni yi and minu na say modern football na ye bono offer clubs are more successful almost balance books almost achieve success now at the same time almost sounds so balance books now about 80 to 90% of them almost what we call a technical director or a director of football. And Oko Paris Saint-Germain, PSG, I so successful at NSA, you know. Almost more kada match, but almost achieve success, almost balance your books, you know. Rich, and you're just about their head coach. Their sporting director is also doing very well. But all to the Mitrazi. And he's one of the most revered, name no escape me, but he's one of the most revered sporting directors I know. Rich, say, Osha system generally, football business is honey, you know. You're moving past Tetano, and now about Medokotoko, Medohas, Yakwako player, no, Wajini, Diwababa Bebo, Yaji trophies, we are not a C, and you're just about that. But one, football never do the level. Or said, you will be able to sustain, and who you know, and your straight guidelines are football now, you know. A guide. Enti uko UEFA, Rich, UEFA I want to friend the financial fair play rule. On the financial fair play rule, no. We a club now we spend we expenses, no. One sheni ye na se uko bro a certain limiter. A better. And one such here ewo. Now, uko the various leagues nimpa ya bokrana Rich, and also no. Baby abekobia ya football no properly crano. And also go on, there are guidelines. And then they may drew baby Premier League and so back a bus and baby train. And to football, no.
Or me to one rule, no.
Exactly. And to football, near year generally, no. And the our point on Ababa be drew. Ama the various associations, federations near the crown almost say, look, football, no, I could beyond just results I on the pitch 90 minutes. And until I maybe I raise a call car say, how to folk, yes. Almost the Champions League. They won the proper treble, the FA Cup, the Champions League, and the league. But has AJ Sani money in a way. Sana has air ball and the MC Sono, a drew baby done in pie and say, Emma has a winning matches. Rich okay. The reason was simple. Or say a drew baby nesi kasem wedding. And the winning bonus on bet you had the players. To know mumpai mpone se mom winning. Sometimes I had to folk bear majinaso. And to hear the obeshow. And yes, had to folk air TV sanya man. But our TV went to me unbalancing the books. Tisa results na onya and the level and all come. Na enti me nya da sustaining. Eno na didi mu awura mu a eto aso aba ya sa foundation na omo building and Hariza corner. Ebo aya ma mo sa beje confederations cap kan ho. But rich anya sustaining ninti no edru baby no. Na was say club no start to say oye flotation of shares. Because what was the reason? Na e ka many club no. At a point e koye do point to say even na ADB bank. Na was say Pobiman project Pobiman. What him say now say has any document ekokwe as collateral. Enti togbe ye mo togbe abaso. Togbe ne tuya car na has any ADB no. Na ka na mina na emne no. But this is a club are rich. Now we achieve so much. Now we're placing them at a certain level. And the respect our but also on your point. Yet no ontimi balancing the books. Enti edu baby a club no odi agra. Eniema be egu. Rich, enti you appreciate it, Sadia na about football. Director of football, he appreciate it. Say, oh Baba Beshe, develop a model as a model no from the youth team, a deep Baba be senior team to Kotoko Bobol in the identity of Kotoko. You good. Now, me fast CV na me sha ye ka CV asem. And na me side jina ade bi hu. Rachel Kotoko, when you're the first time I appointed a technical director or director of football. Kotoko appointed James Akwesi Apia. Mahele, a legend of the club, an African Cup winner. Rich, appointed Mahele, the impression was that Kotoko back on the next level. Because Ufa Mahele, not Ufa Nisivi, the first black coach or the Ghana call World Cup. At a point, so I can Ghana fast to say Egypt Sussex, no, and the young boy cried a yebo. A cook of fast Sudan national team, a domo call AFCON. At a point, Uncle Domo called couple. Sudan national team or Domo Ghana Ephraim. Almighty Ghana. A cook of far Al Hartum on. And Domo placing fourth. I was Sudanese Lake so. But in terms of experience and level, both as a player and as a coach, na Akwesi Apia a dance. But rich then you hu. E kuku wie no. Na bresum pansuni period ba konso akotoko. Yewra e ball kapa so ya we. At a point Kotoko, etimi pam more than 10-11 players. Left right center na ye togum. Emfa so bi amo na e kana na ye ebo. Kotoko nso bobola. Who say or technical director because ball na Kotoko bo no bi say ni model na say. Anya ball e the supporters eba stadium. Bona ye bona anya akono. And Samsung for results emma. Enti you say clearly Akwesi Apia nti unim say baby a hunti na man centrefo ntimi nkan bebre because of papa na ni monyam ne level no ne said wa carry ne ho.
But e bia na Akwesi nso nya time because a whole Sudan national team coach.
Yes.
On say the nya time grandma
Asante say yes on funny ideas and technical ideas or the beba. Now what's a kwan ayem faso system of play or better. And definitely na adwuma so because idea
combining national team and Asante is too big.
Yes, I agree.
Adwuma me no
na so ba rich ojitu mu etu ni made me the party free ho kakra but as me build a point ba ntina me dey free ho rich ye hu faso bi e ba so Kotoko ye be we season no yintimi angelic ya modern ball form and encouraging yes sounds to togum ye pamu bi ni esan togum na e kan ko ana menhia ebo rich after onono and esan kokko fa Yewra Malik Jaber Johnny Johnny say o ka Kotoko abakosem and ye level ye do Africa nipa ba ko say we appreciating ye Yewra Malik Jaber okay say Johnny na Kotoko 1971 time na ye je yen African Mbekaya Johnny after any TP Mazambian girl but ball 1-1 e o hano no ye kokko so mu 2-1 ne body Ibrahim Sunday so okay Johnny and the says go na ya DJ trophy no Congo ho Kalala abreso no Johnny Sanso assist Ibrahim Sunday and a Kotoko SIG in last Africa 1982-83 also on a team manager and an also assistant Edma Ibrahim Sunday. Yes, I Koko fan with the impression say Johnny ending club needs so much he's a cult figure on him the ins and outs of the club. Wabobida apart from so body achieve successes no ono asan so aba ba assist asam ya Africa nti Africa too ayaji nyina no Johnny D ka ho both as a player and as a manager ni D ka ho Johnny enso by race amfa still your ball ani abo ye hu bibia and ye diabo season awie so ka se we comparative analysis wo ho na ofa papai Sylvia Odeba as a professional footballer I was 3 years Rich say obi be say Ajax JC enya de kitu onya an extraordinary talent I want to mean say Ajax JC say obenya kwan a coach the goalkeeping department of the Netherlands and yet just an ordinary nation a strong footballing nation
and Marco van Basten
just OBB exceptional but Sankaka say who go beyond that. Now we're analyzing his CV now critically. As a manager, Rich, and you trust you me, honestly speaking, social one baby and on nenam patrol or the area clubs no. Agolf, AFC, Volendam, Cambo, Liers, AFC, Ajax Cape Town, Aruba, Suriname national team, Belgian Guana, Belgian Guana, Kwane yomo second team no. And sana later Oba or main team no yapamono. So ufa Rich, honestly speaking, look at a comparative analysis. And kwesi apia ni CV as a coach na meko and I was through the chair papa minim so me agina
sure
including Johnny enti anya dia eye ni je bebre however me hwe beyond just CV no odeba because reaching him obi betimi the CV a ebeba no enye huhu but wo dia agro adwuma nso obeba be no ame Barato Majikovic ade ekọ World Cup yan maiden World Cup no na the level ni suro even Milovan Real yes among four kasa bebre meboa
za Milo na dia no haye na mo national team
perfect because edu baby kra na we felt even Bukaziz na wetwem osanzo ba biom no still the name Bukaziz na nu ne etrini ede osan ba ya amfa Kotoko bi say Koko fa this coach Mariano Barreto ya Koko kra ni titi di Mariano Barreto ya nhwe Albano, none level no, baby and afi aquacodu. And to reach Papa ya fe no ba say adwumase. One mean for unnecessary pressure Emma meto on so anybody me yes am anye fe. Me pese ye analysis no ma yete ye ho ase. Me yes am anye fe. Rich Pacho, what would you order by in the first place? Say unwi. Say so criticize na be criticize.
Bibia paper so.
Perfect bibia paper so. And the pay where he's coming from. So if I know you anything to go by, baby, what fun?
Netherlands.
Yes, me
Total Football Crew no free bar.
Total Football Crew. And I know so many idea about Kotoko supporters wasted here. I campaigning for a very long time. See a person team now, a better that exciting football now, a better draw supporters at the Aqua Stadium. You be who's a Kotoko youth team, and see a new quality everywhere, and fuse you more into the senior team. Na ye to be so rich yet me atom because enkra no ne ton edi ya agro no mebo business anya nkra no and the footballing sense no unya 23 24 25 all kwa Europe onka ho mainstream Europe na ye bobo na La Liga ne na se for onka ho entina so at Nations FC Razak Simpson Sananko eja on the side anka rich e bia anka ba bia top 5 legs no no anka obetimi awramu bio but because of age factor. And so, me sure Sadia ne say the Odebre youth team no. Men share consistently any war Sadia no about Kotoko youth. Also men share efficacy anyone who pa. Yeah, sure the Odeba, but per where he's coming from no. E be menye GD say or the baby from Kobebre ye youth side no. Any ye senior side no.
Because the way forward now.
Yes.
Football na ya.
Sanity.
Say for example.
Bro.
Meet you I mean Kotoko ebe season bia be wie na o maboka
ne aboka eka nko
e ka no dodo na no ayana efi player purchasing
and once you to left right
players 20 yebo season ni we ni apam 15 ni afa another 15
yes
ni ya pam mu dina na obia Kotoko nyamfa so onton mpo nya go onton
there be onton
or the card man competing for football na team na boka but look ene so a youth side well prepared
well organized
well trained
yes
ubenya players quality at the few to infuse
into the
senior side no
yes,
aside that no there are some of them abetimi atom outside a business big time business
maybe nanse Kotoko enkra ye nya kwan mo ko outside na nya nkra no enye bena so mu am enkra no Peter Amedu eduru ba bia nya na German club eni abre a open no onti se mpanyimfo no ya pe omo sa big clubs ni ade no there be enkra no de omo ye sa business no na mpanyimfo no ahu o to nkra na sika na ban rich na o pompi bi e de senior side no e ho na hu established star ba ku mienu miensa bi e bia Senegal ba ku bia eniti Cote d'Ivoire ba ku bia eniti a na de aba sa sika no o de aba bi ra senior team no because who obotae esanse o sha papa ne target a one yes o mfa Kotoko on restore the pride back pride no ye the leg e kan ho so here ye Lake Summit no automatically obey also jelly mebo and the African so I can which Africa be no name say bro e ya de ba ko e da yewura kuma so mebo and then akuma so ye and then maybe Kotoko ye de lake e ko wa kan say trophy we de hu abre na yan say the boss say ye the Africa kuru abebre no so okay osimo nse mebo a mempene and na metina say because Richard in the NTM metimi rase a aya na me yama yera ane Kotoko achitafo yina na opoku wari ahofedua nana kwa akura rich nana hu Africa kruwo bromeboa nana hu bi na ben na yewra kin Solomon yewra che nanim nyam aseta wiase afa na nyina ene di bre ne bobre se na so hu yewra ko pola na ne fe fans ni ade mo ma yewra Africa kruwo ba ko pe ekume yenka se mu fa 2 3 mu mo fa ba ko pemra mekire yewra eni enuanum nkuma ya afa na omo asisu a omo hu Africa kruwa no dase krobia edge no anka mo ma ye ba ko pe hatu folk di bi aba nanka mo suma me ba ko na ye fe ba mo ntimi enti ade ehia yewra ye pa enti bro papa na djuma no enya djuma ketwa no kra ba ko pe obeye baifuo se on se adjuma ase utie na obewra be se papa na djuma arabe se board adjuma wait for what me point as because nipa ni say adwuma ase o who do oba be oba faili oh no we say na so by for say who dey wo to no ompa ya ne say ade ni njingu na benya bi kaka se me kan adebo with all due respect it wouldn't make sense yen support omo mfa mpa yen to omo achi na emom ba bi omo ba betia no yen tire omo wait for what me point na say yen tire omo papa no CV no nye CV huhu no kreni so who fan with the managerial side and you see because even at club level the biggest club are Papa ne fine and Kabeka say Escape Town no more
South Africa
o share na iya no kra ba kope and said that anya ipia enti Papa no job by very challenging dia man no ebe the Kotoko job cause Kotoko eso chair class na Papa no afani nyina but Richardo about support or see a cooperative. Na ebia ija unnecessary pressure na make us as media there ya dwumo bi ntimi stop you.
Frank also no ya just say you will need the support of the board.
Yes.
And ample time to work effectively.
Yes.
And not to be pressured.
Yes.
For result.
Rich. Papa.
And the man pressure now. And if I could do it, say.
Technical director.
Man ample time to work.
There be anya de kitu.
Anya 1 year.
Obi nti ase. Nti enchi omo ase no mu se be ma adwuma na eda ho no. Na eha no mo nso na Kotoko board. No mistake omo ye. Anka e was say munya an effective communications person. Nti anka papa ni CV and say ye fa ni say na. No ahya ase ye interviews. Na o kire mu de kire amamfo. O abusua Kotoko yen state no enie. This is the level I person ye ko. Ansa na betimi akọ sa level no. E was see ye way.
And there's so much a matter of communication.
Bro, and I make us say enti no. Se who you ready so be ya na se mu feel say because of momom re no. Muntimi an.
Even se Kotoko meba o se Kotoko ni kasama for crowd the team no impempen ya. the board they all musician can communicate to their supporters.
Exactly.
To say you have a time. Or say me Kotoko fans. Me jitu say Kotoko is big.
Yes.
So I no can say Kotoko music.
Music of course.
Kotoko is big.
Yes.
Right? Now Kotoko na aye big no Kotoko na me Herbert Mensa me be no. Our form.
About form.
No supporters ni nyina so mujitu.
Na so oba na your boss aka 3 or 4 pe.
Intimi sramo. Mumma me 5 years.
Yes.
Mo de mumma me ample time. 5 years no. You started from there. You from calling kakran. You will get there.
Osimo hwe de ebesi.
A talk of supporters are dream a tomitrim. Say look papa no say. Team me begin is see and be here no. Team enye. Ni bobre any this is the state the current of Kotoko.
National team players for Kotoko.
That's it. And kakran no on the bia me ka say a communication. So we just communication gaba. Me sabe ya Kotoko fan. Ya bo season awie.
Yes.
Minim say the previous season ye bo wie no. Kotoko anya de.
Yes.
Performance dem di mani hu stadium. TV so ni ade no. Optics no na nya.
I fitted akodi 8.
What I say? But the board season ni wie no.
Yes.
There's a certain management or board that all catch them say, look, ya jitum. Ye season anko ye.
Yes.
Mumma time.
Of course.
Ye kofa we di naba. Ye be say ye kofa coach we, ye be say ye for players we. And obaka me kai was it I've forgotten this man. Obokotokoda.
Okay.
The Lord of the Green Field.
Pokunti. Yeah, Papa Pokunti.
Pokunti time. So obaka Pokunti ba team na. And our cultural Asante fans say, look, me person me de Kotoko kobo Africa. Africa na ye kono yenko make up the numbers keke.
David.
Ye person make impact. Na mpo ye to so di Africa. It is the direction I me person me de Kotoko kono say. From henceforth, obi obobo Kotoko ni bia no. Anya hwe kura no. And so you obi a umu boy Premier League.
Sure.
Say you be from the outside air country. And so you national team player.
Of course.
Love that was
sure.
Because you person you African you conquer.
You conquer exactly.
So what me point I say? Which a talk to fans in the team. So what I'm saying is that so we just the communication gap no to on gap no that to how na ma supporters no on my dream no because I'm with the direction of the team.
Good. Because
but now no say your boss is in every because we need obi okasa the moment but I think that even the current board no can communicate through the media.
Exactly.
Saying your person de Kotoko mama ye bre ye we Kotoko fan bia otifie bia no understand.
Yes, and central for him some more level.
That's it.
On more platform on ya de ko menuanom ye ndwenjene Kotoko ho. Ada ye nim panyimfo bi o mo ba ye o mo ye saade ni bi. Ye pese ye no musi adwenjene Kotoko ho. Ye papa Dr. KK Sapon mu nyom anye bi. Mu me ndwenjene Kotoko.
KK Sapon say e pese me ye teteton. What I say? Teteton no enye se mi begu Asante Kotoko. But you better players no from low level.
Yes.
You be more the needed exposure.
Yes.
No more you do. Ya tobi. Na sikana ibenya na dia Asante Kotoko. Communication.
That is communication. And see they should be able to do it because bro Rich me try there be Kotoko supporters. Has supporters. Almost respective clubs pa. And almost ti asamwase yo. But so when you ndi ni yi a waje be also mo nti asamwase. Amuti asimasi yi. Omu de ani say my hu say na eko. Just be honest, be truthful to them. Oh, abusuya say ye jitum ye level aba bedru ni.
Mama me
bre. Me sram he, wo yes are rich. Africa no me support le be mo yi. One, omu say we appreciate you omu. Enti moment on be hu sa de no. Odoni san ba mo. Afi on ko stadium kwa ni say abon si apon na omu ba no.
Na me say. Ye ra ebetments at time. How's your Kotoko say?
Has a 3 and 4.
The next Kotoko home game. Next stadium.
Na
because after every game, Herbert Mensa every radio station, baby of food as piano. You go explain things to the supporters.
Now, Rich, Herbert Mensa tie. Yankes one J legal one Jeligan farmer Kotoko. Yeah, except Adia or yeah, Herbert Mensa now became. And it's a Herbert Abbas, so I say winning FA Cup. You really say JOT Ajman Cup, no. And your sons winning one other trophy. Yeah, about 3 or 4 trophies before you say new season, Nasi. And only you say new season, Asia, Gapua, Dombo Temu Gapua. and the Poma mobile best share 1 be because near jet trophies 3 or 4 JOT FA Cup and then either swag or one other cup. But I say like near the trophy be out. Yanji Africa be but the internet still near support. And because Herbert and you who say ya but from your Persia sounds a pejamu. And to week out here say but don't be out here to stadium. And to way and you Mema mo my board no mo me and supporters ni mu enwa eno ne ade hia bro adwuma mu ye nyina no mo ye bia ma yewura na mo san de ma Kotoko support
Jonathan na now boy I say hey is this Asante Kotoko the world no I'm shocked I say we just have to hide the CV of an appointee than what he has achieved some I say soon he will be described by his work. Okay, my minister starting in the say, Minchumre, he said, say, hey, it is Asante Kotoko the world no. I'm shocked. We just have to hide the CV of an appointee than what he has achieved. Soon he will be described by his work. Richardo, crow from is loud. Okay, Jonathan, and this is message. Asante Kotoko hiding.
No, well, onim. Minim said your person but apparently or share Kotoko level. No share baby ababa bedru. Na be no share appointments
in a lifetime of every football club. You see NTM and America bar communication gaps.
Yes.
In a lifetime of every football club. Even sabi young fair cry.
Yes.
Obrani de bian
have the highs and lows.
Torebua obokwa na woteba.
Yes.
But yes, I would from how I will see as show near my apejano. Very important.
Very important.
But failing is part of the process. Honor would see the Maniamano. What I say?
Yes.
So, baby, as Santo is normal.
Yes.
Club will be for Yaka say Real Madrid. 2 seasons.
Madrid are trophless.
2 seasons. We are talking about Real Madrid. Madrid in a season 1 year she crowd there. Yes, season with Madrid and yes she. And yes, be ne La Liga bi.
Or no cry no feel so a failure.
What I say? Bet their coffee. But we are talking about Real Madrid. 2 seasons they trophless. Florentino Perez look. Me and I'm she team no. Minim kwanya. Me for so am ya Real Madrid be say drew.
Yes.
The summit. So I understand yen na ejitum say Kotoko ne level no abafom. Anything I'm penny for by no. They also understand and accept say look the Kotoko aminu mi onu nyina yenim no enje edi. Enti yen started from baby. Enti ebini say you be appointed director of football. Ono no mehwe yen football strategy. Bibia no model Kotoko yenya den so what I say youth level ne ade ni na boden nkaka de ba sa na ade team.
Anya magic idea na prekope and a rich I thought I betin akwa coach and CV esopa tina meka the issue of akwasi apia as a technical director a very rich CV but ya hu hwe enti rich sometimes obetimi anya obi an CV mu edru but emfa obi nso o wa CV ni mu nyedru na emom the understanding of the game the wo person oyen align with the understanding now we how to folk mention I confess Samuel Buedu no rich Samuel Buedu was never better than Herbert Ado in terms of CV. See the CV na near dey ba how to folk about be adwuma na nko ondru Herbert Ado baby a meboa Herbert Ado on SSO Jones atoko if you go for academy so okay any go for say Aqua Champions League grand finale play a key role and in the level but rich and yes Samuel Buedu na finally how to folk ebrecha ya na ontimi nsre Angelic onji bibiano. And yes, I'm more good than the best son. I own the best sign, but now Cassivia and Kabudum Bay Herbert Ado baby. And ye now butre. Now, dear young shed your papa day back on board. This evening, dear BM, and ye honest, ye and there will be out here with the greatest of respect. You should be out, said your 17 back on paper. Ye and there will be you. Yes, oh, fat, ni playing career, dear, I was wrong. But managerial side, dear, Yamiano Cranny, and yes, even. Said you not to company for trop brofuni shame to say as a receive managerial career and the entisa. But what you say? Enti na who say no mun me highlight on any man why managerially. No mun me meto omo ase because ofa honom na e wo form. but then and then from there one na ehio dear papa ne dey ba ene hia patwati ase eno na empanyimfo ehwe
enti na yendi Black Stars in command
papa no ye be na kwa ba me na unim na nka dia mepe de na nka me pese mi hu ne se anka ye announce director of football yi na nka Rich ye announce coach nso ka ho menim so one me ya agina because of the timing and he announce director of football yi na nka announce coach ka ho announce Rich me say agina di bi ho and na director of football no ono na ekwa kope coach abreyana why do you know
and so better a factor
because director of football
because the protocol direction we need a coach on so be align
perfect or be align
what I say
yes
say a person we need a coach on so ne CV ana ne coaching way no ne understanding about so that any Kotoko de ni na no e be for the same end
because
and better a factor so anything I say until so mo ba appoint a substantive coach
yes
at the Ama club no ono ni nhwe actually no to sa na man and say football cry movie the league ya very
maybe the answer omonya ne man tam hunim ye ntia make so omonya ne man tam
awu ya
no one because of yenimre signings among for your signings so what is me the me pesamba
I think ebia African India.
But the point is that wasase or send the preseason as here so uti omo mo be kwa African omo so mo preseason as sentem Rich uti
okay
now our pesamba other clubs so abawura mo bia asase a oye signings among for the omo nkoma ato Rich e wo se munya coach ntem na munya mo signings ntem ni itiminya won call a proper preseason because Rich yenimre and Rich, I did back Kotoko. For quite some time now, Coach Bakwe Boni di obey successful was Bashir Hayford. No one. And then my Bashir successful. Kotoko. Eba benya a fine preseason or a preseason jay. Eme do baby cry na ye complain say Kotoko preseason no. I know the Bema boys na bre. And unti eba be season as ya no grant interview no say oh leg no. Medicine fo. Okay say asem no kind na manfo anti ase. You bought 5, 7, 8 matches. You na bas ajeleg na wie dada. Kotoko so obi amu ana or left right center.
Good. Menzo.
Yenye ye mantem. Rich. Why? Yenye ye mantem.
Mate. Me da se pa. Ye movie on na. Yen twas with the Black Stars in sense. Yen na